everybody, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be another maternal video, and I will be showing you guys 2 other free boxes that you guys can get while expecting and making registries and all that stuff. So I'm super excited to show you guys this. I am currently almost 37 weeks pregnant, so I just have like 3.5 weeks left to go, and I just literally cannot wait to pop this baby out. But so today's video, I will be showing you guys how you can receive this right here, and this is the Noobie Box, and I will be showing you guys all the contents in here, and this is the Hello Baby Babylist box. So I have all the notes on my phone, so I'll be looking at my phone to kind of explain to you guys how it all works and how to receive these two. I will be doing a lot of maternal kind of expecting videos for like the next few weeks that I have left of this pregnancy, just kind of mush them all into this month. And yeah, so you'll be seeing a lot of those videos. So if you guys are into those videos, if you guys are expecting and would like to see those videos, make sure to subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me some comments down below. So without further ado, let's jump into what is inside these 2 boxes and how you can get them. So the first box I'm going to be talking about is this one right here, which is the Noobie Box. So you could get this from noobiebox.com, and you do have to pay shipping for this. Shipping is only $6.95, so it's not that expensive. It's pretty inexpensive for shipping, so well worth it. I don't know what's really inside it, but I'm going to guess that it's well worth it. I ordered this January 24th, and I received it, let me look at my notes, I received it January 31st, so shipping was very fast, and they do provide you shipping information, tracking, and all that stuff, which is really nice. So yeah, all you do is go to noobiebox.com and you order your free baby box, and that's pretty much it. You don't have to do any registries or anything, so super simple. So if you don't know what Noobie Box is, it's just a online website that has like gift boxes for expecting mothers, gift boxes for babies. So if you or your friends having a baby shower and you don't know what to get yourself, you don't know what to get your friends for their baby, you could go to noobiebox.com, just order a gift box, and that would be it. I'm not 100% sure what they include in those gift boxes, but I will leave their link down in the description like I always do with everything that I mention in my videos. And you guys could go check them out and all that stuff. They'll have a lot more information than I can tell you guys on their website. So enough of Noobie Box and how you can get it. Let's just open this up and see what is inside. So opening it up, this is what it looks like. So the first thing on top right here is this, and this is just a little cardstock, which is really, really cute. I love the print on this. And it has a little note that says, "Dear Noobie Mom, congratulations on your pregnancy. Sit back and enjoy this moment for you and the beautiful baby in your belly. Unwrap your Noobie Box filled with exciting essentials and helpful tips to support you on your motherhood journey. Love, Noobie Box." Super cute. I will keep this just because I love the print on this. This is really, really cute. Then, when you open it up, this is what comes inside. So let's just kind of set this down and grab and go. So first thing on top is this. This is the Noobie guide. So it kind of gives you like information on all the stuff that they included in the box. And I'm guessing that there's going to be like some coupons and stuff in here. So make sure to look through this if you do decide to get this box to see what is all included. And then another cardstock. It says, "Year of Wonders. Celebrate baby's first year of wonders with 4 milestone boxes." So these are all the boxes that they have there for milestones and everything. So they have the Noobie Nest for 0 to 3 months, the Noobie Play 4 to 6 months, Noobie Eat for 7 to 9 months, and Noobie One for 10 to 12 months. So this is really nice. Now let's go on to all the samples and products in here. So first thing pulling up is the Lancinol disposable nursing pads. It comes with 2 of them, and the breast milk storage bags, and it also comes with 2 of them. And if you haven't watched my latest free baby box video, I'll link that up in the cards. But you guys will know I'm not a huge fan of the storage bags, but I do love their breast pads. Next thing in the box here is a pack of water wipes, and it comes with 10 wipes in a pack. Then we have here a pacifier from Chico. This is the Physioforma pacifier. Ooh, what is this? So the next item I'm pulling out is from the brand Upspring Milk Flow. It's a lactation supplement drink mix. It's chocolate flavored, which is really cool. So for those of you who are breastfeeding, this will be really great to get your milk started. Or if you have low milk supply, you can take this drink and it should help boost up your milk supply. I am not going to be breastfeeding this baby, but this is going to be really nice for those of you who are breastfeeding. And it's chocolate flavored. Awesome. Next item are the Purell Singles Advanced Hand Sanitizers, and it comes with 6 hand sanitizing wipes. This is perfect for right now with coronavirus going on. I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy during this time, staying inside and keeping your little ones safe as well. But this is perfect for around this time to just kind of keep your hands clean and all that stuff. And it comes with 6 wipes, so that's really, really useful. Alright, up next, this is the brand Rooted. It's a prenatal multivitamin fizzy healthy drink mix. So you just pour this little thing in some water and it's going to be fizzy. And this is the flavor lemon ginger, which is really exciting, super cool. Yeah, you can take this even before you're pregnant, after you're pregnant, during pregnancy. It's just a really good multivitamin drink mix. Super excited to try this out, see if it tastes good or not. And then we have here a sample of the Aquaphor Advanced Therapy Healing Ointment. So this is good for dried, cracked, or irritated skin. Aquaphor is a really, really great brand. Next up is some pads. So it comes with 2 pads, and this is the brand Prevail. This is really interesting that they included some pads in here, but this will be perfect for afterbirth when you're kind of bleeding down there, you know what I'm saying. But this is for regular flow, so it's not gonna hold much for after pregnancy, but you can save these for when you start your period again. And then the last 2 things are 2 bigger products, which I'm super excited to show you guys. This one right here is a pack of diapers from the brand Cuties. You can get these on Amazon.com, or you can get these exclusively at Walmart. So it comes with 5 diapers, and they are size 1. Super excited for this because I haven't tried any Cuties diapers, but I've heard a lot of great things about them. Last item in the box is very, very amazing. This is perfect for expecting mothers. It is from the brand Kind and Strong Active Iron. Active? I don't know, but this is a iron high potency iron supplement. So while you're pregnant, taking prenatals and everything, you sometimes don't get all the nutrients that you need from prenatals. A lot of women do end up becoming anemic. So a lot of women get prescribed to iron tablets, but this includes some iron tablets for you, so you can take along with your prenatal vitamins just to help you stay healthy, keep your iron up and everything. So this is really awesome, and this looks like it is a full-size product. It comes in 60 capsules, so I'm really excited for this because every time I'm pregnant I do get anemia, and then after that it goes away. It's really, really weird, but I'm super excited for this. This is awesome. So that is everything that was in the Noobie box. Overall, I do think that this was a really, really great box. I love that it included some things for the mom as well, and they didn't exclude mom or baby from this box. I think that's awesome. So let's move on to the next box, which is the Hello Baby box. So the Hello Baby box is a little bit more complex, a little bit more complicated from my understanding. So it is $9.99 for shipping, and you have to do a few steps to be able to be eligible for this box. So let's just talk about that first. So number 1 is obviously it's a registry website, I would say, and so you have to make a registry with Babylist. And then another thing is you have to add a registry from an outsider registry. So if you already made a registry on Target or Amazon or Walmart or any other place, you can add them into Babylist and just kind of merge them all into one, which I think is really, really cool, and that's awesome. So you can just merge all your registries in there and then send that out to friends and family if you're having a baby shower. And they could just shop from that one website instead of giving them like 5 different links, and they'll be like, oh my god, this is so overwhelming. So that's really, really cool. And then you also have to add at least 3 items from the Babylist website. So Babylist does carry like their own separate stuff too, aside from what's in your other registries. So you do have to add 3 items from there, and then they will let you know that you're eligible for it, and then you pay the $9.99 shipping. So it is a little bit more expensive than the Noobie Box. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for the Hello Baby Box, how to get it. Let's now open it up and see what is inside this box. Alright, when you first open it up, it looks like this. It says, Hello Baby, and then it's obviously stickered shut, and there's things flying out. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's open it up now. Alright, we're going to start off with what all came out first. So it's just a whole bunch of flyers, cardstocks. Some have coupons on them, some don't. Yeah, it's just a whole bunch of flyers and stuff about information of things that you can get for baby. Oh, and then there's a little foil packet of the Aquaphor Baby Advanced Therapy Ointment. And then also this right here, it says Yummy. I have no idea what this is. Let's open it up. Okay, so it's a $35 little gift card for Yummy. It's a fresh organic baby food service. That's really interesting. That's cool. I'll go check out their website. If you guys are wondering, the website is helloyummy.com. So super interested for this. I will check this out and see what this is all about. So that is everything that pretty much flew out when I first opened the box. Now, this looks really overwhelming. So this is everything that is in the box. Okay. So the first thing I see is this right here, which is a granola bar. This is from the brand Kind. It's oats and honey, and this is a 100% whole grain oats with only 7 ingredients. That's really interesting. So yeah, I will try this out, see if I like it or not. I love oats and honey anyways, so it'll probably be really good. And then the next thing in the box right here is a baby lotion. It's a fragrance-free, moisture-locking, clean, non-toxic lotion, and it is the brand Pipette. I have no idea. I've never heard of this brand before, but it looks really interesting, and I love the color in the tube. It's really cute. Then we have a little sample of the Lancino Lanolin Cream. And this is a nipple cream for breastfeeding moms. You could put this on your nipples if they're like chapped, cracked, sore, and everything. And it's supposed to just soothe your nipples. And what's really nice about this is you can use it and baby can still latch on and everything, and it won't harm the baby. There's nothing harmful about this. So yeah, I actually have tried this in the past, and I really do like this stuff. Then, surprise, surprise, another sample of the water wipes. And another sample of the Lancino breast pads and breast milk storage bags. Now we're getting to the interesting stuff that I haven't received yet. So this right here is the Pampers Pure diaper sample. So let's open it up. I don't know how many diapers are in here. So it comes with some coupons and then 2 size 1 diapers. We have here the Chico Physioforma pacifier. And then we have the Honest brand wipes, and this comes with 10 wipes in a pack. We have a bottle, super exciting. So this is the brand Even Flow. This is the Balance Plus bottle, and it's a 5-ounce bottle. Next thing I'm pulling up here is the brand Nano Baby. I have no idea, but it says right here it's a hospital go bag kit. It comes with nursing pads, a flexi pacifier. So we have 2 pacifiers in this box so far. Breast milk storage bags and a newborn essentials coupon booklet. So that's really exciting, and I just want to show you guys what the pacifier looks like because it's really, really cute. So this is what the pacifier looks like. It's like this really, really pretty teal clear pacifier. I've never heard of this brand before, but I really love the pacifier, and it's really flexible, and there's like no plastic or anything to it. So yeah, I'm super excited for this. This is cute. See, this is what I love about these gift boxes, because they include so many different brands in here that you've either never heard of or wanted to try but never tried, and you get to try them for such a great price, or sometimes even free. So that's awesome. Next thing I'm pulling up here is another pacifier. So what are we at, like 3 pacifiers right now? This is from the brand Boon, and it's like this really pretty Tiffany blue pacifier. Super cute. We have here the Huggies special delivery diapers. It comes with 3 diapers in size 1, and then I can feel that there's like some, what is it, little coupon book back here. So yeah, when you guys get these boxes, always make sure to look through everything, because you're gonna get a lot of coupons, and always make sure to read when they expire so you know when to use them. Alright, next item here is another pacifier. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pacifiers in this box already, and this is the brand Even Flow. This is the Balance Plus pacifier. And last but not least in this box is the Pampers Swaddlers Mom-to-Be Registry gift. So it has some coupons inside. It comes with a pack of the Pampers Swaddlers diapers, a pack of Pampers sensitive diaper wipes, and the diaper changing pad. I'm not going to open this one up because if you guys haven't seen my last video, the Target one did include this as well. So I'll open this up on my own time. But yeah, that is pretty much everything that came in this box. And then it also came with these little cards that you can hand out to friends that just tells them to go to babylist.com because your registry's on there. But yeah, that is everything that is in this box. Wow, that was a lot of stuff for only $10. And yeah, I really, really like this box. If I was to compare the two, and if I had to recommend one box to you guys, I would go with the Babylist Hello Baby box. That one comes with so many great things, and 4 pacifiers, which is mind-blowing. But yeah, the baby box, these baby boxes were really, really great. I really recommend them to you guys. If you guys like these kind of videos, then make sure to subscribe to me, and you guys will be seeing a lot more content from me. I will be posting a lot more makeup videos as well, so make sure to stay tuned for that. So that is it for now. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!